Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of plastic bottle recycle or plastic bottle different designing. So, dear audience, when we talk about a recycled plastic bottle, then definition of plastic bottle and benefit of plastic bottle. Firstly, we prescribe, and after that, we talk about a recycled plastic bottle. A plastic bottle is a bottle constructed from high density or low density plastic. So plastic bottles are typically used to store liquid such as water, soft drinks, motor oil, cooking oil, medicine, shampoo, milk, and etc. So the size ranges from very small bottle to large carbides. So consumer blow molded containers often have integral handles are shaped to facilitate grasping. So, plastic was invented in the 19th century and was originally used to replace common materials such as ivory, rubber, and shellac. So, plastic bottles were first used commercially in the 1947 but remained relatively expensive until the early 1950s. So, when high density polyethylene was introduced, they quickly became popular with both manufacturers and customers because compared to glass bottle, plastic bottle are lighter, cheaper, and easier to transport. So, however, the biggest advantage plastic bottles have over their glass counterpart is their superior resistance to breakage in both production and transportation. So, except for wine and beer, the food industry has largely replaced glass bottle with a plastic bottle. So, if we talk about its production, then petrochemical resins, high density polyethylene is the most widely used resin for plastic bottle. So, this material is economical, impact resistance, and provides a good moisture barrier. So, HDP is compatible with a wide range of products including acids and caustics but is not compatible with solvent, so it is supplied in FDA approved food grade. So HDP is naturally translucent and flexible, so the addition of color will make HDP opaque but not glossy. HDP lends itself to silk screen decoration, while HDP provides good protection at below freezing temperature. So it cannot be used with products filled above 190 degree Fahrenheit, products requiring a hermetic seal. So these bottles are exposed to fluorine gas in a secondary operation or similar in appearance to HDP and serve as a barrier to hydrocarbons and aromatic solvent. Fluorine treated bottle many contains insecticide, pesticides and herbicides, photographic chemical, agriculture chemical, household and industrial cleaners, so electronic chemicals, medical cleaners and solvent. So citrus products, D-limonene flavor, fragrance, essential oil, surfactants, polishes, additives, and graphites, cleaning products. So emergence, stone and toil care product, waxes, so paint thinker and gasoline, biodiesel, xylene and acetone, kerosene and more. So some low density polyethylene is similar in composition to HDPE, it is a less rigid and generally less chemically resistant than HDPE, but is more translucent. LDP is used primarily for the squeeze application. LDP is significantly more expensive than HDP. So polyethylene terephthalate polyester, this resin is commonly used for carbonated beverages, water bottle and food packaging. So PET provides very good alcohol and essential oil barriers properties, generally good chemical resistance and a high degree of impact resistance and tensile strength. So uh, oriented the construction and constricted antinodes are cantons will attack PET and high degree of impact resistance and tensile. Yes, right. And so the orienting process serves to improve gas and moisture barriers properties and impact strength. So this material is not resistant at high temperature. It is a maximum temperature is 200 Fahrenheit. So as a polycarbonate is a clear plastic. Also I prescribe used to make bottle for milk and water. So 5-gallon water bottle are a common application of PC. So polypropylene PP is used primarily for jars and closures. So it is rigid and it is a barrier to moisture. So polypropylene is stable at temperature up to 220 Fahrenheit. So it is autoclavable and offers the potential for steam sterilization. So the compatibility of PP with high boiling temperature is responsible for its use with hot fill products. So PP has excellent chemical resistance but provides poor impact resistant in cold temperature. So polystyrene PS is transparent and rigid, so it is commonly used with dry products including vitamin, petroleum jellies, and spices. So polystyrene does not provide good barrier properties and exhibits poor impact resistance. So polyvinyl chloride is naturally clear. It has high resistance to oil and as transmits very little oxygen. It provides a strong barriers to most gases and it drops impact resistance is also very good. So this material is chemically resistant, but it is vulnerable to some solvent. PVC has a poor resistance to high temperature and well distort at 160, so making it incompatible with the hot field product. It has attained notoriety in recent year due to potential health risks. So, dear audience, uh, some question when we talk a recycled plastic bottle arise in our mind, like is a plastic, what is a recycled plastic bottle or what is a recycling plastics. So, for example, plastic bottles that we recycle at home are sorted, cleaned, melted, and made back into plastic bottle or other items. Sometimes you might see information on a product that's 100% recycled content, which means that the packaging has been made using 100% sources recycled plastic. So, my dear audience, thank you very much for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much.